the time. I got all this money on my mind.
What is good, everyone? It's DSG Panther here. Today we're going to be installing the racingline intake system on my Polo GTI 6C. Now this is the system that we are going to be installing today. So without further ado, let's get into it. I just wanted to let you guys know I did get this from racingline.com. Link in description if you guys do want to buy it. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the box that it came in. There's Jazz. Jazz, you're on, mate. But yeah, this is the racingline induction kit that I got. It came from Progressive Parts, I believe, so shout out to them because it came next day on DPD delivery, so you can't fault that. So obviously I don't know what I'm doing at the moment because there's no instructions with how to fit this. This just tells you about cleaning it. That's literally it. So that's your maintenance guide, which is important, obviously. Yeah, so here are some brackets that you get with it, some more mounting parts which I believe they just mount underneath the air intake, and then you have, not too sure what this is, I'll be honest, but we will find out. And then come over to the boot. Here's the sexy part. Here is the main induction air filter. As you can see, that is the, I think it's trifoam air filter inside. So this is the big boy part, and then this is where your cold air is going to be coming into. Nice cold air breathing pipes. And then we got the, I believe this is actually a Golf R elbow. I don't really know, but this is the elbow part for it. So this is literally just goes on the elbow of the turbo. Produces way more power, as I already said. So yeah, let's get into installing this. We're going to overlap it so you guys can see what I'm doing, and I can talk over it while the work is being done. Me and Dad both are going to do it. So yeah, let's get onto it. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, we have a T20 from Work Zone. You can find any of these. Sorry about the wind, it's quite windy, but yeah. So we're just going to take the air filter off around here. Just going to take this off. We've already done these clips. You just need pliers for these, squeeze them together and it comes off. But yeah, we're just going to get these T20s undone, and then we can kind of see what we're playing with. Also, I've never done this before, so let's get into it. There's two. Now we have actually taken this airbox off before, so should not be too hard to get off, because there's number 3. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think, or there might be 8. I think it actually might be 8 T20s in the engine, or for the air filter. There you go. Is number 4. So I'll just say maybe put your hand around it just to guide it, just in case the bolt does drop, and you don't really want to drop the bolt into the engine because that is a very sticky one to be dropping, to say the least. There you go, another one. Yeah, so there's 8, 2, 4, 6. There's 8 T20s to undo on the air filter. Kind of a pain because they're just like there. This one I don't think I can get to until I take that. There we go. So you just want to move that hose to the side so you can then get to the very last T20. There we go. So that is the old original elbow, I guess the original elbow, because it goes into the turbo. So that's the original elbow, the one we're going to be replacing. But yeah, let's get this last T20 done. Actually, it's quite cool. I never really do stuff for my own car. If you guys know, a lot of the time I pay someone. I can actually see and learn quite a lot from doing it myself, so it's quite interesting. Yeah, so that is all 8 T20s now out. So yeah, and we've moved the elbow already, so let's go and do that. So that is a little before and after of the elbows. One is a lot better than the other, clearly. This is the racingline one and this is the stock GTI one, so yeah, big difference. Hopefully big horsepower, colder air, just better improvements in general. Right, so let's remove the air box, and it is actually attached to something. This is the VAG Sport air filter that I had in. If you guys do just want to do the pollen filter, yeah, horrible. But I would recommend getting the VAG Sport one. Sounds good. Definitely recommend the VAG Sport one, 100%. Okay, so the camera kind of ended, but the clip which goes in, if I can find it here, there's a clip that goes in here. Literally just get a screwdriver down the edge of it, or I'd use a little T13 just to get in there, and the wire just comes off. So you see it's down there. I'm just going to let it hang there. So that is the whole airbox now taken apart. Now we just need to lift the original airbox out somehow. Fucking hell, that was on. Jeez, just almost broke my finger for that, lads. But yeah, now we've got the dirty thing off. Jesus, I actually just broke my hand for doing that. Look, it's literally tingling and I'm not even moving it. But yeah, so that is the air filter off. Now we've got to get this last little bit off. So I'm going to switch to the phone just so you guys can see how to take this box off. In here, the T20 there, got to take this T20 off, and then if you put in here, you see that T20 there. You guys can see it there. T20, two T20s, which will get this box off, and then we can put the new front box on, then that, then the pipe. Yeah. Boom, here you go. Got the bolt out. Don't want to lose that because that is a T20. To this side, get this T20 out. Honestly guys, if you guys are not mechanic at all, you guys will be able to do. I'm not mechanic at all, and I've managed to get all this done so far, so don't think you guys. Here you go. Second, these ones will be quite dirty, but this is the second T20. That is it. So now if I move you guys there, so you guys can now see, this is going to be the air hose. I don't even know what it's called. There you go. That is the old air hoover, whatever the hell you call it, air breather. So yeah, now we get the fun part. Let's put the good new stuff in. Right, so we're going to put this at this shape. So the taller bit here, guys, the taller bit goes facing the backwards of the car. So I'm guessing goes over the original holes, maybe. It lines up with it perfectly, so I'm guessing that is in there like that, and I'm guessing this is the way that the racingline air intake goes. Guessing it just, there you go, look at that, perfect. That's how that sits in there. It's actually quite a smart little kit, that. So this is the new breather pipe part that sits on the front, like what we just took out to break my fingers. Yeah, just see what this is like. Yes, come on, we've done it guys, at last. So I put this towel in here just to make sure that we didn't lose any bolts. But yeah, so we've now got the first part of the pipe on, so now we've got to do the next bit. I will order people work on, but I think I'm going to go with the second part, so we're going to work our way forwards. So wish me luck. Cool, so now we're going to do the main party piece, actual air filter, the trio foam inside. Let's go. Yes, come on. So there's definitely a technique to doing that, which is turning it at the same time. I mean, I thought that would be a lot worse than that, but that actually looks alright, to be honest. I actually think that looks quite good. Whew. Get us lads doing our little trips. Right, so now we are on to the boring part, which is clamping it all up and making sure that it's not going to move anywhere. So we've got two, I don't know what it's called, like they're kind of like they're from a lorry, but they're little ones. They just hook on down here, just over it, over these metal clamps that we've got to put on. So two of them go on the back of the elbow pipe and one goes on the front. So I'm guessing the two bigger ones go on the front, and then the smaller one goes at the behind the turbo all the way down here. So yeah, just need a flathead screwdriver just to tie these up, but make sure you don't leave them facing down, because then when you come to undo this you won't be able to get to the flathead screwdriver. So yeah, just remember that. So wrong plan, I think you was meant to put the clamps on first, which I didn't do. So make sure you put the clamps over the sleeves before you put it all together, because I'm a retard and I didn't do that. Cool, so we have done all that now, and now we're just going to put these little straps on. Oh my. So guys, I think this is quite a crucial part in a YouTube video if I'm going to try and do an installation for you guys. So once you have done all of it, you're probably wondering where the hell does this cable go, because there's no instructions. Comes all the way down here. Take your engine cap off. There's only 4 little pots. As soon as you're looking from here, look at that. As you see that, you look all the way down there. Literally, there's a rope here. This is the rope that connected when you took the original air box off. You want to reconnect it with the new one, which goes into here. Done. That's literally all you got to do. I'm really complicated, but it was already there. So we are now going to go and start it up. Hopefully the car don't blow up. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're just going to go out for a little test drive. So let's go and see what this sounds like. Guys, let's see what this sounds like. Oh, it's definitely louder. We will go. I can't see because people park like that. Clear left. Right. Let's see what this sounds like. God. Ah! Fuck off, no way. No way. No. Listen to that. Are you ready? Look, just listen, you ready? Oh! Oi, when you come off it, nah, let's put it into normal. Watch, now when we cruise and we go on underload. Ah! Fuck off. Ah! Oh my god. Alright guys, so my camera died, so we're gonna have to end it on the phone, but that is the racing line intake for the Polo GTI. I hope this video really helped you guys out, because there was no instructions on how to do it or any videos online. So I hope this really helped you guys. Please like and subscribe. This video's taken me a very long time. I don't normally go and do stuff myself, but today I've pushed myself. I've fitted the induction kit and the elbow. So yeah, insane. Massive shout out to Racingline. They haven't even sent me this. I spent £373 there on this, but honestly, I'll do a POV drive coming very soon. I've got a new GoPro coming, so the GoPro videos will be insane, and especially bear in mind what I've just heard from that, it will be fucking mental. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, get me to 2K. We are actually really close. But yeah, that is the Racingline intake induction kit that everyone runs on the Polos. Well, not too many people run this one. A lot of people go Ram because it's louder. I don't know. I think that sounds sick. That is loud enough. I don't want whoosh every time I change gear. Do you know what I mean? But that sounds mental. And this is a DSG Polo, in case you guys didn't know. Just in case you've got a manual. It probably sound better on a manual, I'll be honest. But coming off the acceleration on this sounds fucking mental. Excuse my language, but it sounds mental. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do want to see more videos of the induction kit, let me know. We will do a POV drive with the induction kit. So just bear with me. We'll be doing flybys, induction kit videos and all that with it very soon. I just wanted to get the installation out just for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.